Toxic people don't fear losing you, they fear losing control of you. Silence is the one place where their manipulation cannot survive. When you stop explaining yourself, you take back every ounce of power they stole. You don't defeat toxic people by arguing, you defeat them by becoming unreadable. Your silence forces them to face their own behavior without distraction. Here are 7 silent ways that make toxic people afraid to lose you, even when you say nothing. 1. You observe everything, but react to nothing. Your calmness is the silence that destroys their script. They want you loud and emotional, but you choose quiet and aware. When you stop reacting, they lose control instantly. Your silence exposes every guilt they tried to hide. Their biggest punishment is realizing you no longer give them emotional access. 2. You withdraw your energy instead of arguing. You don't fight for clarity, you protect your peace. Detaching is louder than any argument you could ever make. A toxic person panics the moment they feel your distance. You win not by proving them wrong, but by refusing to participate. Your silence shows them what their ego refuses to see. 3. You choose distance over drama. Distance is the boundary they never saw coming. You become powerful the moment you stop being accessible. A toxic person cannot manipulate what they can't reach. Your quiet absence hurts them more than your loud presence ever did. 4. You stay kind while they expect your anger. Your calmness exposes their instability. Kindness under control is power they cannot handle. Your silence makes their chaos look exactly like what it is. 5. You let karma handle what your words can't. You no longer chase revenge, you trust timing. Life teaches them lessons your voice shouldn't have to. Your silence lets the truth catch up to them. 6. You choose peace over people-pleasing. Control only works when you need someone's approval. When you choose peace, they lose every weapon they used against you. Your silence says, I don't need your validation anymore. 7. You let them wonder what changed. You stop explaining. You stop defending. You stop responding. And suddenly, you become a mystery they can't decode. Confusion is the fear they feel when they lose access to your mind. Silence makes you unpredictable, and unpredictability terrifies them. If this spoke to your soul, tap follow and subscribe to Mindful Ways, where silence becomes strength and peace becomes your superpower.